Your backyard can be more than just a yard with the right gear. A nice fire pit for cozy evenings, comfortable seating, or maybe an automated pool cleaner to keep your pool clean all the time. That brings us to today's video of 10 cool outdoor gear for your backyard. The purchase links and the updated price are provided in the video description for your convenience. Let us jump right in. A good fountain pump just adds a whole new aesthetic to a backyard. And poposoap has two solid solar-powered options, whether you're going for a subtle water accent or a full-blown pond centerpiece. First up is the poposoap pond filter with pump fountain kit. This pump is built for small ponds and comes with a 660 GPH pump. With an input of 40 watts, it offers a combo of filtration, fountain action, and even a waterfall option with its diverter valve. With 3 interchangeable nozzles, you can easily switch up the water display. The built-in filtration system keeps the water crystal clear, thanks to filter sponges and filter balls. Plus, cleaning and maintenance are simple with its easy access design. On the other hand, if you're working with a smaller setup or just want a gentle water feature, the poposoap 20-watt solar water fountain pump can be a great choice. With a 320 GPH flow rate, it's perfect for fish tanks, small ponds, or even a bird bath. The tempered glass solar panel is sturdy and rainproof, while the 4 different nozzles let you tweak the water spray to match your vibe. Safety is also covered with water shortage protection to keep the motor from burning out, and the 2-way filter system keeps things clog-free. This is changing the whole yard care game. The Verdi IR1000 robotic lawnmower. Now, if you're tired of spending weekends wrestling with your old mower, this little gadget can help. With Gianet RTK technology, it ditches the hassle of boundary wires and mows with pinpoint accuracy using real-time positioning. And let's not forget the 4G connectivity and Wi-Fi that let you keep tabs on your mower from anywhere, while built-in anti-theft features ensure it stays yours. But here's where it gets even smarter. Its AI-driven tech actually detects dry spots in your lawn, helping optimize water usage and keep your grass healthier. Plus, you've got adjustable cutting heights ranging from a tight 0.8 inches to a 2.5 inches. Oh, and did I mention it's whisper quiet and fully emission-free? Talk about being smart and eco-friendly in one place.
You'll want to check out the Exit Fire & Go, down a 20-volt portable pellet grill smoker.
This innovative grill is great for camping trips, tailgating, or just grilling in your backyard. What sets it apart is its transformer design, which offers a 56% larger cooking area while being 35% smaller than traditional pellet grills. Weighing in at just 40.8 pounds and compact enough to fit in your trunk, it's as portable as a suitcase. Then the dual power options, battery or AC adapter, mean you can grill anywhere. And with smart temperature control that ranges from 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you can achieve everything from low and slow BBQ to high heat searing. Plus, the included meat probe ensures your meals are cooked to perfection every time. With features like easy pellet loading and tough construction, this grill is built for heavy use. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to manage your garden watering, the 2-Yeho retractable garden hose reel is a fantastic choice. This wall-mounted, heavy-duty reel features an automatic slow rewind system that retracts your hose smoothly in just 18 seconds, making watering fun. With a durable, leak-resistant hose designed to withstand up to 300 psi, you can trust it for all your watering needs. The reel's solid brass fittings and waterproof ring ensure longevity and reliability. Plus, it comes with 2 versatile nozzles, offering 13 spray patterns, so you can easily switch between tasks, whether you're watering delicate flowers or washing your car. Moreover, its self-locking design and 180-degree swivel bracket allow for flexible movement and easy access around your garden. Lastly, the complete package includes everything you need: mounting bracket, hardware, and even a drill template for easy setup. The Solo Stove Mesa XL creates a relaxing environment, whether you're camping, enjoying a patio evening, or hosting a backyard gathering. This 7-inch tabletop fire pit is designed for portability and convenience. weighing only 2.3 pounds and made from durable 304 stainless steel, ensuring it is tough while remaining lightweight. The noteworthy feature is its smokeless design, featuring a 360-degree airflow system that minimizes smoke and maximizes warmth, creating a cozy atmosphere without the irritation of smoke in your eyes. You also have the flexibility to choose between burning wood or pellets, thanks to its dual fuel capability, which means you can adapt based on what you have on hand. Setting it up is very easy too. Just fill it with your fuel, light it up, and enjoy. Furthermore, it comes with a sturdy stand for stability and a nylon carrying bag for easy transport. AquaSense Pro is the ultimate all-in-one solution for pool maintenance. Traditional robot pool cleaners often fall short on efficiency and struggle with surface cleaning, a significant concern as almost all debris initially enters the pool through its surface. BeatBot AquaSense Pro distinguishes itself as the pioneering robotic pool cleaner capable of comprehensive cleaning. It not only tends to the pool floor, walls, and waterline, but also excels in efficiently handling the pool surface, eliminating the need for an additional pool skimmer. AquaSense Pro is not just a cleaner. It's the first pool robot with true decision-making capabilities driven by AI. With 20 intelligent sensors, including dual gyroscopes and dual ultrasonic sensors, it sees and understands its environment. The BeatBot OS enables adaptive navigation, precise distance measurement, and optimal route planning. It also has a dedicated app, offering an industry-first visualization of your pool and cleaning routes. Featuring 9 motors, 4 brushes, and 2 filters, BeatBot AquaSense Pro boasts the powerful NanoDrive 9 motor system. Dual rollers and 4 brushes ensure exceptional cleaning performance, while ultra-fine filtration up to 150 micrometers captures debris of all sizes. Designed with user convenience in mind, BeatBot AquaSense Pro features automatic return and surface parking, providing a hassle-free automated cleaning experience. Compatible with all pool types, including concrete, vinyl, fiberglass, and tile, it guarantees scratch-free cleaning and pristine results. So embrace the efficiency of AquaSense Pro, the ultimate choice for all pool compatibility in pool cleaning solutions. Next up, meet the EcoFlow Blade, a robotic lawnmower that redefines lawn maintenance with innovative features. Beyond its role as a mower, the blade's sweeping mode efficiently clears leaves and debris, elevating its functionality. Wire-free boundary creation, powered by memory recall, provides a customizable and hassle-free lawn care experience. Precision is paramount with RTK positioning, cutting-edge X-Vision technology, LiDAR, and visual sensors, ensuring edge-to-edge navigation and obstacle avoidance. Redesigned for optimal performance, the blade showcases multi-directional movement and tight turn capabilities, navigating various terrains effortlessly. Rear-wheel drive high-torque motors enable slope climbing, while floating blades guarantee precise trimming on uneven surfaces. With a built-in rain sensor, the blade operates selectively in favorable weather conditions, marking a significant leap in intelligent lawn care technology for a consistently manicured and effortlessly maintained backyard haven. The Weber Summit redefines backyard grilling with its smart gas grill system, seamlessly combining sleek style with cutting-edge technology. With a user-friendly interface, you can swipe to set the perfect temperature, allowing you to multitask by scrolling through Instagram while achieving culinary perfection on the grill. The Touch to Ignite feature and method selection enhance convenience, while the grill itself guides you on where to place your food for optimal results. Stay connected through the mobile app, receiving alerts when your steak is ready to flip or serve. From juicy roasts to smoky favorites and even pizzas, the Summit offers versatile cooking options. Elevating its versatility, this smart grill goes beyond traditional BBQ fare, enabling you to create gourmet omelets and sauté vegetables effortlessly. The Weber Summit epitomizes a harmonious blend of stylish design and advanced functionality, making it a must-have for those seeking a sophisticated and tech-savvy outdoor grilling experience. The BioLite Fire Pit Plus transforms the backyard fire pit experience by addressing common issues like leftovers and smoke irritation. With its innovative airflow system featuring an integrated fan, this advanced fire pit ensures optimal combustion without engulfing the backyard in smoke. Remarkably, Bluetooth integration allows flame intensity control directly from your smartphone, adding an unprecedented level of convenience. The versatile fuel rack accommodates both wood and charcoal, offering flexibility for impromptu BBQ parties. The X-ray mesh provides a captivating 360-degree view of burning embers, creating a visually pleasing ambience at night. The Fire Pit Plus is equipped with a substantial 12,800 mAh battery, providing an impressive 30 hours of runtime and doubling as a convenient power source for phones and other electronic devices. Its foldable legs enhance portability, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures. BioLite's Fire Pit Plus stands out as an ingenious solution for elevating camping gatherings, ensuring a tasty and memorable experience with friends while overcoming common camping nuisances. Transform your outdoor space with the Govee Smart Outdoor String Lights, a creative and customizable lighting solution that adds a vibrant touch to your backyard decor. The RGB lighting effect takes personalization to the next level by allowing each LED light bulb to display a different color simultaneously, making your patio stand out with a stunning array of vibrant hues. Add a dynamic touch to your outdoor gatherings with the Music Sync mode, where the lights react to your favorite tunes via the integrated microphone, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and sound. Manage the Govee Smart Outdoor String Lights effortlessly through the Govee Home app or pair them with Alexa and Google Assistant for convenient voice control. The IP65 waterproof design ensures these lights withstand various weather conditions, making them a reliable choice for outdoor use. The lights are designed with shatterproof plastic, ensuring durability even in the face of knocks and falls. And yeah, before you use it, know that while the lights are weather resistant, the power adapter is not waterproof, so take care to protect it. So that was our list of 10 cool outdoor gear for your backyard. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, gooutdoorzone.com.